we're hearing more discussion around Chinese manufacturers kind of diversifying their production across Southeast Asia, including countries such as Thailand and Indonesia. So from your perspective, how is that changing the competitive landscape for the industry?
Yeah, this is the big one, I would say, broader than tariffs, broader than the Middle East crisis, and whatever else has come our way, because this is obviously a long-term structural, challenge, but obviously clearly an opportunity as well. The good thing is that we are reasonably well established in the China operations. We have manufacturing there for a number of decades already, which allowed us to build up some good relationship with some of the key players in the industry, which obviously in the last 3-4 years have been really taking off domestically, as well as globally. What we try to do is to change our own operating model, because, as I said, these EV car manufacturers are domestic, but a lot of their product is for export as well. So we take a more global approach in the way we engage with these customers, to match their ambition on one level, but also their global operation model. Right, a company like BYD is manufacturing in Thailand, in Brazil, in Europe. So we're trying to match that by having a local presence, but also a global presence, both from a relationship, from a tire development point of view, R&D, but also from an obviously manufacturing footprint point of view. So concretely also in regards to that manufacturing footprint, we are changing the capabilities that we have in our plants across the region. For example, for EV tires, noise is very important, right? Because you don't really hear the sound that comes of a tire when there's already an engine running, but when there's no sound of an engine, the tire sound becomes quite important. So sponge material is embedded in most of the EV tires. So you need to have the right technical capability to put that into a tire in a safe, high quality and an efficient way. So the development of the tire itself is also a little bit different. So yeah, all of those capabilities we are trying to keep pace with and in advance of what the market is doing, to make sure that we can cover these customers in the most efficient and effective way.